Hello Year 4 and welcome to another maths video. In this lesson we are going to be plotting coordinates on a grid. To make sure we are successful, we need to know what coordinates are, we need to know how to use an x-axis and a y-axis on a grid, and we also need to know how to plot coordinates on a grid. So, coordinates represent the exact position of a point. Coordinates are two values which are separated by a comma with brackets around them. For example, bracket 3, 7, bracket. The first value, which is the 3, shows the x-axis, and we know this is the horizontal line along the bottom. And the second value, which is the 7, shows the y-axis, which is the vertical line, which goes along the side. Each axis is labelled with a scale of numbers, a bit like a number line. So as we can see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and along my y-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The values of the scale can be either positive or negative. 0, 0 is the point where both axes cross. This is called the origin, and that is the point here, right at the start of my scale. So, over here we've got an example of a shape that's been plotted onto a grid. The coordinates for A, which is here, is 3, 7. And to work that out, I need to go, first of all, look at my first number, which we know is my x-axis, and I'll go along to 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I know my second number is my y-axis. I'm going up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that is where A has been plotted. For B, my coordinates are 1, 3. Going along to 1, up to 3. 1, 2, 3. That is why my coordinates for B are 1, 3. Now, can you work out what the coordinates are for C over here? I'm counting across my x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means my first number will be 5. And then I'm going up. 1, 2, 3. So my coordinates for C are 5, 3. Let's plot the following coordinates together. So you should have a go at this and freeze the screen so you don't see my answers, and then you'll come back and have a look at the answers to make sure you're correct. So the first is 4, 6. Along to 4, up to 6. I'm going to plot my first one here. My next, 1, 5. I'm going along to 1, up to 5. And my final is 2, 2. Along to 2, up to 2. So that is the shape I've made there, and I would use straight line to connect. And there will be my shape. Okay, I hope you got that correct. And then finally have a go at plotting these ones. So 3 and 1. So along to 3, along my x-axis, 1, 2, 3, up to 1. And then 4, 3. Along to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I would join my coordinates like that. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you learn how to plot coordinates on a grid. It's just a little practice for you so you can get ready for doing them when you come back in September. So I hope this video has helped you understand plotting coordinates. Bye bye.